Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to switch accounts in Dragon Ball Legends. Then tap return to title and confirm. Once the title screen loads, tap support, then proceed with the option that removes all progress. This will remove all your progress, so make sure to back it up first. Go to Data Transfer Settings and connect your account to Game Center, Google, or Facebook. Once synchronized, you can restore that progress later. Now tap Delete User Data, input the code, check the box, and confirm. Allow time for the game to restart, then accept the terms and preferences. You can either start a new game with a new account or transfer data from an old one. In my case, I'll recover data from Game Center. That's how you switch accounts and manage your progress in Dragon Ball Legends. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. That will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.